We just taking these things, dropping them right by the rocks, hit the bottom, let it get tight. Like that. Heck yeah, dude. Just like that. Thanks for teaching my class. Good morning, Quentin.
Good morning, son.
Is this the SS Satilla Express?
This is it.
Oh, it's so pretty. This is our new boat. Man, gonna make me jump. There he is. Oh, toadfish. Look at him. He kind of looks like Pat. Yeah, dude, that's sheephead or toadfish. All I know is I suck at catching whatever it is. Oh, there's something. What we got? Big old sheephead, dude. Change hooks. Talking about an Uncle Billy sheephead, Quentin.
Oh yeah, that's a cool one. Can you get up here?
Alright, you can.
Get a better net, damn.
Hey,
Oh,
that's what's been stealing my bait.
yes sir.
Heck yeah.
It's a good one too.
Sweet. I think he's big enough. Look at that. Change from a kill hook, put a little straight shank hook on it. And we got him. Right there in the lip. Dude, that's so cool. These things fight so hard. Catch them on bass gear with a fiddler.
It's awesome.
It's pretty cool. Old convict.
Into the cooler you go.
It's bigger than your trout.
Yeah. I think it's a good spot. Which that other stuff I'm talking about now too, it's a nice area.
Dude, I'm down to go.
But it'd just be a long ride. Or we might need to stay here, you know what I mean? That one right there might be close now.
Yeah. You putting it on me, buddy.
Nah, he ain't.
For real?
Swear to you. Yeah. That tide gets up real high, man. I really wouldn't mind going to try that spot over there off Turtle River. Oh man. Definitely bigger than the last one.
Got it in.
That's a good trout. Good trout, good trout. Ooh, yes sir.
Dude,
that's the kind we want right there.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
There he is.
Ooh.
Come here. Heck yeah, dude.
You got it figured out, I think, buddy.
It's pretty cool. Oh, there you go. Stay down there.
Alright, thank you.
See you, buddy.
Them pictures.
All right. The flop don't stop.
I thought you done got one your first time. God! Get off. Your net? Ain't that fun? We catching sheephead, buddy. We ain't got no plan. We just come and catch what bites. That's it.
It's still morning. How long did you say they had to be?
10. We look like a school of fiddlers up there. This is about where that one dude was sitting in it. There he is. He ain't nowhere near.
They biting right out here by the boat.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that. Didn't even hook him in his mouth. Oh, yeah, dude, he about bent our deck. We just taking these things, dropping them right by the rocks, hit the bottom, let it get tight. Like that. Heck yeah, dude. Just like that. Thanks for teaching my class. Use my rod. They're about the same. There's one.
Wow. Whatever they are. You want to move down there to that spot?
It don't matter.
Or this approach drive?
Yeah, hooks them perfect. Clinton said he's too little. Well, I check him. Oh, he's way too little.
Try to find some fiddlers where they don't stick them somewhere where they ain't gonna sit there and cook.
There's one. What we got? Probably shark. A redfish?
Big old trout, son. I mean,
Golly.
I mean, a good one.
Oh my Atlanta. Dude.
Boy, that's a good one right there.
Heck yeah, dude.
What was that? What was we got to do?
Fill the cooler up.
We about to fill the cooler.
Dude, that's sick. This may be my biggest one, Quentin.
Let me see what it is.
Up until now, my biggest one is right at 19. I don't think he's... Mm-hmm. Heck yeah, dude. 18 even. This is nice. This is fun. This is great. This is grand. Quentin, you on? I'll just fill the cooler right now. Golly.
It's bigger fish, whatever that is. Oh, big old trout, cuz. Get the net. Yes. Heck yeah, dude. Awesome. Nice. Yeah. He just be still for a second. He's about 18. Get in there and join your friends. There's fish.
Swimming fast. DOA. Peace out. Is that a good one?
Trout.
Oh.
I say it's a trout. He's staying on the bottom. That might not be a trout.
Dude.
Yeah. Good one right there.
That ain't a trout, that's a salmon.
Because that's probably
That's the biggest one today.
I can say that's probably my biggest one.
That's sick.
That's a stout.
Heck yeah, man.
Refill. God, boy, he's a trash, ain't he?
Yeah.
Trout. Easy, killer. Oh yeah.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Got it.
Dang, boy.
Dang, cuz. What is that?
Oh, thrashing, what that is. Yeah.
Trout.
Good one.
Yep.
Shoot.
We're doing good.
Go to that little boat. We'd be like, get the net, get the net, get the net.
Confidence level just goes up in a nicer boat. We're like, oh, we just boat flip him. I don't think we got to measure him. I'm pretty sure it's key. Oh yeah, 16. Coming around.
Sorry.
Hey, what's running? Man, I bet that freaking line well's full.
Quinn said, oh, there he is. Oh. Yeah, go. Feels pretty dang good, buddy. On the DOA shrimp. He might just be foul hooked.
For real?
No.
That's trout.
Yeah, he was foul hooked. I hooked him in the gill. In the gill plate. Hey,
What we got?
I keep a fish.
I'll keep our fish.
14 and a half.
We're gonna start that. Well, I think we got 15 apiece.
Yeah, and
That it's so good, or is it just like this all around out here?
we don't know. Because we just come here. There's one. Yeah.
Maybe group of fish.
thought he was bigger than what he was. Double up. I gotta go. It feels good. He's not as good as I thought. He just smacked his lips out here. Oh.
Flip.
Golly. I about made me go to jail for this one.
I am a good one. I'll show you.
That's the trout because they're so big.
Oh, he's a trap.
Whoa.
Oh,
Freaking tank.
Cow.
With the red book in.
Dude. Holy cow.
That spot, so
This spotlight.
dude,
That's my biggest trout I've ever caught.
let's get your picture with it.
I wasn't recording.
Are you kidding
I
me?
swear to God.
Why? Why not?
Dude.
I gotta scooping him in the net. Look at you. You leave that up every time. That's pretty stout trout.
Biggest trout I ever caught.
That's cool.
See how long he is.
So cool.
Let's get measured.
Dude.
21 3/4.
Yep. 21 3/4. That's cool.
That trout right there's probably 4 pounds.
That's a big one. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Got something?
Yeah. It made me say, oh my goodness.
Staying on bottom.
Yes and no. Yeah, it's probably a shark. Boy. Yeah, I feel him.
Whatever it is good.
Come on, come out from around that. You see that bull?
That's a redfish. That is
A stud?
stud. If we need to chase after him or just let him play out.
I just let him play. Try to catch one.
I mean, I don't want to. He comes up there, I'm trying to look off the side.
Yeah.
Punch it.
Yeah. Got that Stratic smoking, boy. Oh, come on. Go this way.
You want me to undo the spot lock or leave it on?
You can leave it on.
I'm gonna fish. He gets punched. I will see it.
I bet it's a shark. He's shaking his head. Yeah, it's probably. Whatever it is, man, it's fun. See if we can get him up.
Really ain't pulled like what did I like?
Oh, where's my cord?
Or sharks. Oh, yep, that's what it is.
Yep.
Big enough.
Yeah, you can tell this rod's made for trout. Oh, cashing. That's a pretty good one. Here he comes, come on. Yeah.
Well, I tried.
You did good.
It didn't fit in the net.
Look at the hole in it.
Dude, he tail flipped the corks. That's a good one. Break your line.
Yeah. He thumped it. He said, "Thump." That's cool.
There's your shark, sir.
I don't know who he fought worse, me or you.
Huh?
I don't know who he fought worse, me or you.
Hey, when he went in that net, he wasn't having it that first time. He's like, nah, not today.
Look at him, dude. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Hey. Come here. What you got? Little fish or trout. Man, that water is clear, ain't it? It's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Redfish. No, another big trout, I think. Can't tell. Redfish. Yeah, keep a red too, buddy. Yes. Boy.
We're doing it today, man.
Yes, sir. What are they, 14.23?
Yeah. 14.22, I think. Probably 23.
That one's 18.
Dude. This picture?
Yeah. Well, they're in this cut. There ain't nothing going through there, so I mean, they're pretty much trapped in that little circle.
Well, let's go.
That's definitely redfish.
Yeah. Yeah, that ain't. Oh, God.
What was that?
Eat it. I don't know. But I want him to eat it. There's a weight coming to it again.
Oh, there you go, Seth. Got him. Yep. Got him.
Heck yeah. Fish on. Oh no, get out of that. Come on.
Oh, that's a big one.
Here's a mow that grass, buddy.
There he goes.
Heck yeah, dude.
Try to bring it back around where you can stay in front of it first.
Man, it's so fun. The 4 horsemen.
Boy, that's a good one, Craig.
I don't think he's in the slot, buddy.
No, he's way over the slot.
Hey, it's nice how we can walk around our new boat. Hey, if you want to throw in there, I can net him.
Ooh.
Dude, he's pretty too, ain't he?
Yeah, he's super gold looking. They're still on that other side of the grass over there too.
Come on, buddy.
I think he's got some shoulders on him.
Yeah, man, that's freaking awesome. He saw that.
He said, nah. Oh, he's getting tired. He's coming on the side.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Nice, cuz.
Heck yeah, dude.
Man, look how gold he is.
That's pretty. That's a really big koi fish.
Awesome. It's awesome.
That's sick, dude. That's sick. Oh.
This is where they at. As far as big reds.
Look at that spot. Look at that old 6 cents hook right in the side. Fish on it. I do believe it's my biggest redfish to date on the first day out with a new boat. Look at that spot.
It's awesome.
That's so fun, dude.
And he's so pretty.
On the 4 horsemen popping court. Back it up a little bit. That's it. Let's get a release. We're going to see how long he is. Just fell it. I'm sorry, fish.